In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneNote color scheme. If you want OneNote to feel more comfortable to look at, or you simply prefer a different visual style, changing the color scheme is a quick setting you can update directly from the desktop app. This can help reduce visual strain and make your workspace feel more personalized, especially if you use OneNote often throughout the day. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since that's where these appearance settings are typically available. Once your notebook is open, stay on the main screen so you can access the app's settings menu. Next, go to the File tab. You'll usually find this in the top left area of the window. Click File and then look toward the lower left panel for Options. Select Options to open the OneNote settings window. This is where you can adjust several preferences related to the way the app works and appears. Inside the Options window, make sure you are under the General section. In this area, look for the setting labeled Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. This section controls the overall appearance theme used across Office apps, including OneNote. If you don't see it right away, just scan down the page slowly until you find it. Once you've found that section, locate the Office theme setting. Click the downward arrow next to it to open the list of available themes. From there, select the theme you want to use. The exact options may vary depending on your version of OneNote or Microsoft Office, but you'll usually see a few different styles designed to change the overall look of the interface. Choose the one that feels best for your eyes and your workflow. After selecting your preferred theme, click OK to save the change. As soon as you do, OneNote should apply the new color scheme. That's all it takes. If you don't love the way the new theme looks, you can always go back into the same settings and try a different one. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a noticeable difference in how OneNote feels during daily use. If you're customizing your workspace, this is one of the easiest ways to make the app more visually comfortable and better suited to your preferences.